Everything you need is included in this kit. Wash your car and make sure to get rid of all the dirt. If you have experience with clay bar, feel free to do it before installation. Your kit includes vinyl guides to make it easier to align. Peel and align right under the taillights. Follow the inside edges. These guides will help when you're aligning your trunk bumper PPF. Spray your hands with install solution provided. Spray the trunk bumper. Spray the exterior of the PPF piece before peeling. Peel and spray the inside too. This will make it easier to move the piece around when aligning. Using both hands, align the PPF to the bottom of where the curve changes. Make sure the piece fits inside the guidelines. Holding the piece firmly with one hand in the middle, squeegee downwards. As you squeegee, make sure it stays aligned. If it gets misaligned, feel free to move it back to position and continue to squeegee. Squeegee upwards to get all the soap out. It's normal for the top to stick out. We will fold that in later in the video. Do the same for the other side, starting with downward motion and then going upwards. To fold over the top edges, use the squeegee and go up to get the soap out. Inspect one last time and squeegee the areas that need to be squeegeed again. Using a clean microfiber, gently wipe down the soap. Let it dry for at least 24 hours. And oh, don't forget to remove your guidelines.